Hey Joseph, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you with a short video on some education on what you guys can do to optimize your website to get some more leads in the door. You're probably asking why I'm sending this. Well, I know small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves. Some people will contact me. Either way is fine. It's just to educate you and help you out with a easy attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So first I'm going to go over the content on your home page to your website of Hinton Construction LLC. Right now I'm just looking at the number of words that you have due to the fact that content is king to Google and it gives you more authority. So looking at this, there's around 700 to 800 words on your home page. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition, a number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I took one of the services that you guys offer, that's decks, and I just typed it into the top of Google here. I'm looking for a deck company in Baldwin County, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. I'm looking for a deck company in Baldwin County, Georgia. So the first thing that pops up is this Google Map pack here, and 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses to perform their service. I see you're here at number 2, which is super great. You guys are doing a good job with that, and they're probably able to get a lot of leads with that, so awesome. Not shown at the top, but usually at the bottom as well, are these Google ads, and 5 to 10% of consumers will usually choose one of these businesses to do their service, and in between both of those are the organic Google search results, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses for their service. So I was looking for a local company in the area, local debt company. And this is normal that we have some directories show up like Home Advisor, Angie, but the first organic search result that pops up is Macon Deck Builders right here. And I went ahead and popped up their website here. So I was looking at the content they have on their homepage. They have around 500 words or so they have less than you guys, but they are ranking for a couple of keywords I want to show you later on. So let's go ahead and move on to backlinks. We just went over content, now I'm going to move briefly into backlinks. So here is a page program called Arrows that I like to use to research websites. We have 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's essentially like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal. The best ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer, and that are from local websites. So looking at Deck Builders Macon, they have 7 referring domains pointing to 18 backlinks, and they currently don't have any ratings here yet. There might be a newer website, not sure, but they don't have enough backlinks either to really start that ranking. I'm looking at you guys. You have 5 referring domains pointing to 30 backlinks, so you do have more backlinks, but you want to have more quality backlinks as well as quantity so that you guys can start showing up on the Google search results on that first page there. So we briefly just went over content and backlinks. Now we're going to move on to citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and profile are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack here. As you know, since you're on number 2 spot, this is really great for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue being here in the top spots. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. And when I was doing some more research too, I saw you guys earn quite a few directories and citations, which is awesome. So keep that up. Keep building where you guys are with all the information you have on your company, with all the websites that you guys can be a part of. That'll also help you guys rank too. And stay up here as well on the Google Map Pack. Alright, so we briefly went over content, backlinks, and citations. Last thing I want to show you is traffic. So right now they're not making Georgia deck builders, they're getting 37 organic traffic or clicks to their website from Google search. Right now you guys have 1. Some of the things that they're doing are using some great keywords, buyer intent keywords, to capture some of that traffic. Now, they're not optimized by any means with their website to capture the traffic they could, but I did want to show you some of the traffic that you could get as well, just for decks in general around your area. So we have deck builders, Macon, Georgia. 70 people look for that per month. Deck repair, Macon, Georgia. 60 people are looking for that term per month. Decking and fence, Macon, Georgia, 80 per month. Decks, Macon, Georgia, 40. So as you can see, there's a lot that they have for Macon, Georgia that are really great buyer intent keywords. And you can do this for any city as well that you serve, which will help you capture a lot of that traffic that you're missing out on. Well, that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this too to provide some valuable educational content on things you can do to strengthen your online presence and your website so you can start being found. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day, Joseph.